Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I do this pretty simple fall set, but most importantly this was requested. I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect square shape. Let's get right into this video. So I've prepped her nails already and I've already applied my nail tips. I'm making use of the extra long nail tips. I'll put the link of everything I use in the description box so you can go check it out. Now I'm using these tips. They are stiletto, but when you cut them down they could create, or they form like a square. Okay, so I'm basically using my straightened nail cutter to trim off the excess, that's that that part of the nail that you guys can see that sort of fans out. I'm going to trim that off so that we're left with like a square, but not exactly a perfect square. We will file it into a perfect square, and I'm going to do that to all of the nails, and then we'll come back with our hand file and then I'll show you how to file these nails perfectly. We're back and I filed the other 3 fingers, and I'm going to show you how to file the index finger. Okay, so first of all, I don't hold my file slanty or facing some angle. I keep my file straight. That's what you want to do. You want to keep it straight at a 90-degree angle and file straight down towards the free edge, and that would help create that perfect straight line running from the nail to the free edge. And I'm going to do this on both sides, and usually you have to like stop to check to see that you're not over filing on one side, or you're not like tapering one side in, and that's what I'm left with, you guys. I'm just going to crisp that up one more time, and then I'm going to blend this nail tip into the natural nail so that I can sort of see my shape even better, and then I will recrisp it, and then I'll move on to do the thumb the exact same way. So while you guys are watching, please take out a moment to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed, and please turn on post notifications so you know when I upload a new video every time. Thank you. Alrighty guys, I'm done taking off the shine from this nail tip, and I'm recrisping my shape once again, because just like I said, when the tip turns white you can sort of see your shape even better. Now I haven't filed the free edge yet. I will crisp that up all at once. I usually like to do that like all at once so that I can sort of just measure them up at once. I don't know why I do that, but that's just what I do. So again, on the thumb, I'm keeping my hand file straight at a 90-degree angle, and then I'm going to file from the from where the nail from the nail down to the free edge, and then I'm just going to blend that nail tip right into the nail, and then just file on the nail tip as well, the free edge part of it, or the rest of the nail, sorry. I just file till it turns white so that I could see my shape even better, and refile if need be, and then I just crisp up the free edge, and then we'll move right into application. So also I forgot to mention, for these particular nail tips, they are quite thick, which is why you see me taking quite long to file these nail tips down. I'm not filing them down till they are completely thin, but I'm filing them down to sort of take down the bulk from the nails in a way that when I apply my acrylic, it's not bulky, and then I still sort of have the acrylic there, and then I have like an even amount of nail tips. Alrighty, so I did apply a coat of primer on all of the nails, and now we're just going into the application. So I just picked up a bead, and I'm going to feather it down to the free edge so that I could cut out my V using my precision knife. And guys, please, I apologize if her hands were shaking so much, or if the table was shaking, causing the camera to shake. I'm still trying to figure out my camera placement. Alrighty, now that we've gotten this product down to the free edge, I'm just going to take my precision knife dipped in clear powder, and then I'm going to cut out the V from, you know, like if this nail was shorter, I'd have probably gone a little, you know, lower than, you know, made the V lower, but I'm sort of just positioning the end or the start of the V from like where her natural free edge starts from, because I just think it'll be a lot cuter. So that's what I'm doing, and then I'm just going to do this on the exact same thing on her index finger and on her thumb, and then we are going to apply a more darker shade of brown on her middle finger and her pinky. If you guys want to see a more detailed tutorial on acrylic application, then do check out my previous video. I'd leave the link in the description box, or it will pop up somewhere on my screen for you guys to go check it out. Like I said earlier, this tutorial focuses on how to achieve the perfect square shape. So I did skip through the application process. I tried not to repeat everything I did on each finger. I'll come back to you guys when it's time to file these nails. So I forgot to mention earlier that on these darker powders I'm going to be capping them in clear because they aren't exactly core powders, and they need to be capped actually, like they would go rubbery in a way when you try to file them. So yeah, I had to cap these ones in clear. And then on the the V parts of these nails, I'm going to fill them up with this glitter powder. And yeah, that's just what we're going to do. So I will see you guys again when it's time to file. Alrighty guys, we are back and it's time to file. And just like we did when we were shaping the nail tips, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm keeping my hand files at a 90 degrees angle. I'm keeping my hand files straight, and then I'm filing all the way to the free edge. You do not want to tilt your files, you do not want to, or like tilt your filing motion, if that's what I'd say. You do not want to sort of tilt your client's hand. You want to keep everything straight in a certain way, yeah, so that you can get that like perfect square nails. Now when I finish filing out these, or like straightening out these free edges, or sorry, the side walls, I've been saying free edge when I need to say side walls. I'm going to go over the cuticle, and then usually when I do my cuticles, I sort of tuck the cuticle in, and then I use my hands to sort of pull the client's skin away from the from where I'm filing, so that I don't cut them with my hand file. It's really hurtful when you mistakenly cut your client. So I try to take every caution, and then I move her hands around when I need to comfortably file her nails properly. And then I'm going to file from file the from the cuticle downwards to the free edge. Alright, so on this nail again, we're going to repeat the same thing: cuticle first, and then filing the free edge, then from the nail bed down to the free edge on one side, and then I tilt her hands a little, and then I do the exact same thing, pulling the skin backwards, because it's really important that you don't cut your clients. And then I'm just going to file that free edge properly, so that it's nice and crisp and everything is like where it's supposed to be. If you need to use your hands to feel around the nail so that you know when there's bumps, then you can do that as well. And then for this for the free edge, I'm just going to crisp that up really nicely with my file. You can go upwards, like up down, or you can go sideways, depending on however you want or however works for you. Alright, so we've done this one as well, and then I'm going to do the rest of camera, and this is just me buffering this nail tips, and then I'm going to have her go wash her hands, and we'll be back. Alrighty guys, we're back from her washing her hands, and I already applied rhinestone glue. If you want to see my own formula of how I make my own rhinestone glue, I would leave the link in the description box for you guys to go check it out. But yeah, after applying rhinestone glue, I'm going to her rhinestones, I'm going to top coat these nails, cure them in the lamp, and I'll show you guys the final result. This is the final look, you guys. Let me know what you think about this set. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me also know the kind of videos you guys would like to see. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.